Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Butera and I'll be teaching you guys what Socrative is. So Socrative provides an efficient way to monitor and evaluate learning that saves time for educators while delivering fun and engaging interactions for these learners. The reasons of use for Socrative, it's a quick and easy resource for students to see how much they understand the content of the lesson. Socrative pushes all learners to think of answers and allows their teacher to see how they're doing. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use Socrative from a student standpoint. So here I am on Socrative.com. I'm going to press student login, and if you're new to making an account, you just enter your email under student. So mine is already logged in, so we're going to press student login, and then we're going to enter the code that our teacher normally gives us to enter the quiz, and we're going to sign in with our last and first name so we get that attendance. So here we have multiple choice. Please forgive me if my answers are wrong. All right, so right away my answer was incorrect and I got to see that feedback. And we have a true or false right here. Another multiple choice. We got to see that my answer was correct once again. Another true or false. All right, and now we have a short answer. We can submit. All right, perfect. So everything is submitted once we see the screen. All right, so as we can see from that little activity, from that quiz, the goal for Socrative is to create a library of personalized activities from quizzes to polls and short answers like we just saw before. That was one of the last answers. And it's quick, easy, it's free. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this presentation. And if you are a student, which I know most of you are watching this, I hope you recommend this tool, Socrative, to your professors. All right, thank you so much.